Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Creating form input error messages using only CSS can enhance the user experience by providing immediate feedback without relying on JavaScript. Below, I'll provide a tutorial that demonstrates how to display error messages for form inputs using CSS. Tutorial: Creating form input error messages with CSS. Step 1. HTML structure. First, we will set up a simple HTML form that includes some input fields and a submit button. Each input will have an associated error message that will be displayed conditionally based on whether the input is valid or not. HTML. Doctype HTML. HTML lang equals n. Head. Meta charset equals UTF-8. Meta name equals viewport. Content equals width equals device width. Initial scale equals 1.0. Titleform input error messages /title. Link rel equals stylesheet. Href equals styles.css. /head. Body. Form ID equals myform. Div class equals form group. Label for equals username /label. Input type equals text. ID equals username required. Span class equals error message username is required /span. /div. Div class equals form group. Label for equals email /label. Input type equals email. ID equals email required. Span class equals error message valid email is required /span. /div. Button type equals submit /button. /form. /body. /html. Step 2, CSS styles. Next, we'll add CSS styles to control the appearance of the form and the error messages. The error messages will be hidden by default and will be shown when the corresponding input field is invalid. CSS **styles.css** Body. Font family, Arial, sans serif. Background color, F4. Padding, 20 px. Form. Background, white. Padding, 20 px. Border radius, 5 px. Box shadow, 0010 px. Rupa, 0.1. Dot form group. Margin bottom, 15 px. Label. Display, block. Margin bottom, 5 px. Input. Width, 100%. Padding, 10 px. Border, 1 px solid CCC. Border radius, 4 px. Transition, border color 0.3 SEs. Input invalid. Border color, red. Error message. Display, none. Color, red. Font size, 0.875 m. Input invalid plus error message. Display, block. Explanation of CSS. Basic styles. We apply basic styles to the body and form elements for better aesthetics. Input styles. The input fields have padding and border styles for a clean look. The transition property is added for smoother border color changes. Invalid input styles. When an input field is invalid, using the invalid pseudo class, we change its border color to red. Error message styles. The error messages are set to display none by default. When an input field is invalid, the adjacent error message, using the sibling combinator plus, will be displayed by changing its display property to block. Step 3, HTML validation. The HTML5 required and type attributes provide built-in validation. When the form is submitted without valid entries, the browser will show default validation messages. However, our custom messages will be displayed as soon as the user interacts with the form. Conclusion: with this setup, you have a simple form that uses only HTML and CSS to show error messages for invalid inputs. This approach is great for enhancing user experience without relying heavily on JavaScript. Feel free to expand upon this example by adding more fields, customizing styles, or implementing more advanced CSS techniques.